This is the elevator 2840 something in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is Schindler HT. Ooh. Older fire service key. Welcome to 4. It's a scenic elevator too. I didn't notice that from outside. Here we go up. Yeah, I don't know if this 321A or 330A, but it's scenic and low pitched. Very loud and vibrating motor. Here at 4. Fluorescent light right there. We'll go back down to 1. A phone. This must not be maintained by Schindler, obviously, otherwise the chimes would be updated by now. 2002, so 330A. Basic gray cab. Key switches? Whoa. I wonder if this replaced an old freight opener. I'm honestly not sure though. We're back at 1. Here's finding these elevators. It's chrome outside here. Still beeping. Because that's gonna be it.